Guys, nandito kami sa Limerick City Center. Nilalayuan niya ako. Uy! Huwag ko layuan.
Cappuccino for you, my man, and a latte for you, pal. Thank you.
I remember when we used to be in love and we thought that nothing could ever keep.
It's a wonderful day today sa Sunday na sobrang sunny. So guys, nandito kami sa Limerick City Center. Nilalayuan niya ako. Uy! Huwag ko layuan. Pupunta kami sa milk market. And ito na, papasok na tayo sa city center. The city center is not that big here. So, meron kaming mall. Arthur's Key Mall. These bikes are for rent. Online yung app niyan. TFI bikes. For emergency, payphone. Okay. So we have a couple of shops here, guys. May Burger King, Asian street food. So ito guys yung parang heart of the city center. Yan. Diyan yung mga shops. And then meron tayong Bujum dito. It's a Mexican burrito bar. Favorite shop is Nana's Tea. Favorite milk tea shop yan. So guys, apparently sarado yung milk market. We'll look around. Story Cafe. I'm gonna have a latte, please.
Cappuccino and the latte, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Croissant?
Do you have a pan au chocolate?
Sit up.
Pan au chocolate.
Unfortunately not, but I can open the croissant and put the Nutella inside.
Yeah, just a croissant.
That would be nice, innit? Bit of Nutella, yeah?
Yeah.
Happy days.
Thank you.
Nutella as well? No worries.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
There we go, me boys. 2 seconds here, we mess it up a bit. Cappuccino for you, my man, and the latte for you, pal. Thank you. All happy now?
Okay.
Excellent, boys.
Ito yung new vlogging era in my channel. I know I always do sit-down vlogs and mga advices and all that, sharing of personal experiences. If you want to come along, you're welcome. If not, it's okay then. So we're gonna go to a laundromat. We're gonna try. First time namin punta sa laundromat. Ang bigat kasi siya. Guys, meron kaming dito, vlog, apartment in Ireland vlog. Ilang years ago na yun? 2 years ago? It was a long time ago. Nagsisimula pala ako mag-vlog.
Gulo siya because we removed my big curtain. For updated is 1,366 for the whole apartment.
Maliit lang po ang toilet na.
So, ito lang, very small living and dining area. So this is our really like small kitchen. Oh, that's the living area. That's it.
'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming when it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you.
Choose your service.
Wash
Wash ka muna.
Wash na lang muna.
11 euros for
Pwede tap.
Now we're just going to the park first kasi while waiting. Maraming tao dito. Nawala na yung araw. It's a little bit cloudy na. Rocco, hello Rocco. Meet Charlie.
He was they think he was in a puppy farm.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, and he was and we got him from the rescue centre in Kilmallock.
Okay.
But we went up to have a look as our own dog. We had a West Highland Terrier for 14 and a half years.
Okay.
It died in March.
All right,
So
okay.
We went up to have a look. Oh yeah, he was only 7 kilos. I have him up now to 8 and a bit.
Enjoy.
Come on, Rocco.
Bye, Rocco. So guys, tapos na yung wash and then we're going to do the drying and then 350 siya. So yan, nilipat na namin from the washer to the dryer. Ang mahal din. Kung magkano to? Magkano tong Parmesan chicken bowl? 650 plus 1.35 is around around 8 euros na to. So ito siya guys, meron siyang mga bits and pieces of chicken, may boiled egg, Caesar salad, and then merong sauce. Sorry. Good boy. Hinatid ko na yung friend ko si Rexis, and now mag-grocery tayo sa isa sa mga grocery shop dito sa Ireland, which is called Lidl. Lidl yung isa sa mga parang budget grocery store dito. So, bibili lang tayo ng konting pambaon for work, and that's it. This is 1.49 for the bagels. Berry strips for $2.99. Irish chicken breast for $6.99. So, high protein, cranberry and almond granola rice, 2.85. All in all, ang napamili natin ay, the cost of everything is 21.84 euros. My supply for the whole week. I'm so tired. So, pahinga lang tayo saglit. And then, probably gonna go to the gym. Tapos na tayo mag-workout. I think dito na natin tatapusin tong vlog na to. This video is just me sharing my random days here in Ireland. As an expat, as a foreigner, as a Filipino nurse. Meron akong binabasang book ngayon, guys. If you are following this channel, if you're following me for quite a long time now, I read a lot of self-help or productivity books, and all those books, I'll put the link in my Amazon storefront account. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check my Amazon storefront. It's basically parang a shop where I put the links to all the books that I've read, all the things that I buy for my apartment, all the things that I buy for my dog, and everything that I purchase. So I put them all in that Amazon storefront, and then you can purchase it there. And I think I'll gain a small percentage if you purchase it there. So I'll truly appreciate it. Currently, I'm reading this book called, baka bumagsak to. The Wealth Money Can Buy. The 8 Hidden Habits to Live Your Richest Life by Robin Sharma. So dito guys, the author discuss the 8 forms of wealth, which is growth, wellness, family, craft, money, community, adventure, and service. So yun guys, dito dinidiscuss niya that you have to be doing well in all of the 8 forms of wealth that I've mentioned in order for you to live a truly rich and successful life. And those people who are just chasing more and more money, guys, they are considered cash rich but life poor. If you want to read it, it's in my Amazon storefront. And if you want to read other books that I've read as well, nandun din siya. So, I want to say thank you again for watching all the vlogs. And hanggang dito na lang po. I'll see you next week. Don't forget that you are a wonderful person and that you are enough as you are. Continue pursuing your dreams and passion and your goals.